Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host, Angie Lou, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my mama's recipe for an ultimate egg steam, or GYERANJJIM. You can have this as a side dish or as a main with some rice, and I love having this as a comfort meal, especially for breakfast. Here's what you're gonna need. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of salted shrimp or 새우젓. If you don't have 새우젓, you can always substitute for 1/3 tablespoon of salt. 3 large eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil, and 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Now that you've seen all the ingredients, I want to show you how I'm going to mix everything together into this heat-proof bowl. And please pay attention because some of these steps are key in getting your egg steam to the right texture. Add the minced garlic, the salted shrimp, and your 3 eggs to the bowl, and whisk together 100 times. Don't lose count. After the 100th time, let's add your water. Give it a couple more swirls, and we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Green onion, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and if you want that extra kick, add the gochugaru. I'm gonna give this a couple more swirls and come take a look. This egg steam mixture smells so amazing and it hasn't even been cooked yet. Before we take this though to the steamer, I wanted to show you another trick in case you don't have a steamer or you want your egg steamed sooner than 20 minutes. I've put the exact same mixture with the exact same ingredients and measurements into this other heat-safe bowl. Add it onto a plate, use another plate to cover, and you can pop that into the microwave for 9 minutes. The texture might not be the same, but it'll taste just as good. Okay, now let's take our other egg steam and put it into the steamer. Fill the pot with 2 to 3 inches of water. Add the steamer basket. Then add the bowl with your egg steam mixture. Cover the pot and steam on high heat for 20 minutes. So after about 20 minutes in the steamer, the egg steam is finally ready, but be really careful when you're removing it because it's super hot. I waited about 5 or 10 minutes, and you can use oven mitts or gloves, and this is what it should look like. This egg steam has a perfect custardy texture. Let's taste it. It's eggy, it's creamy, it's so rich and flavorful. I love this, and I just need some rice now. I hope you guys enjoy it. Here you go. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.